Hey guys, it's Molly. I am going to be doing a black base again tonight, a 12 by 12, and I wanted to use Arteza, the pearl colors, because I still have a lot of those to play with, but I wanted to do it kind of in galaxy colors. So I'm using two different types of purple, a pearl hot pink, and I'm using a pearl electric blue. So I wanted to see how those kind of pearl colors would react on a black background, and I'm hoping that it dries well, so I'll make sure to show you. And I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a try. Okay, so here we are. So I'm using pearl lilac and pearl hot pink, like I said, and pearl sapphire blue, not electric blue. Let me see if that will focus. Yeah. And then royal purple, which is this really pretty purple color. All right, so I've mixed all my colors up. I'm just using floetrol and GAC 800 this time. Little mixture, and then the black paint is I think it's Creative Inspirations black with just some floetrol and water added to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get you set up. I am going to pour my black around. That should be plenty. I debated doing some white in there, but I think I'm gonna leave it out for now. So let me turn this on. For me right there, that's like the easiest way to spread the paint around on the canvas. And then I painted it because I always try to do that with dark colors so that the canvas, I don't have to worry about the canvas showing through underneath. All right, okay, so I'm just looking, I think I put too much water in this purple, but we'll see. I'll do the purple on the bottom, and you guys say it with me, Molly, don't put too much paint, because I always freaking do that. And then I've just got this like color explosion everywhere, and I want a little bit of negative space. And this pearl lilac is a very light color, but it's very pearlescent, so I think it'll be nice. I'll do one more little. I hate to blow black over these colors. I don't know. Oh, you guys help me out. What should I do? Pour the black over or no? Maybe I'll just do a little. Let me thin the black down just a little bit more. Oh, this is what happens when you don't have a plan going in. Okay, maybe I'll just do a little bit and see. Okay, here we go. I feel like I don't have enough color. You guys, I'm a mess. Okay, all right. Yeah, it kind of celled up a little bit, actually. Okay, I think that's enough. Ooh, it's selling up really pretty. Let me show you that, actually. Can you guys see that? That celled up really pretty. Okay, now let me see if I can not screw this up. Okay, I'm done. I don't want to blow those cells out. Crap. Okay. Now I have a lot in the middle because I didn't want to blow it out. I had all these beautiful cells in the middle. I still have some lacing, but I have a ton of paint right here. I should have maybe done like a little elongated. I have really pretty cells popping up everywhere though. I'm gonna have to try to blow some of that out, I think, in the middle. But that's okay, because kind of galaxy, I don't want it necessarily to look like a flower. I know that I have a ton of paint under here. Oh well, let me turn this around just a little bit so I can blow easier over here and you guys can still see it. Hopefully you can still see it. It's kind of muted. I'm not like in love with it at this point. I don't know I don't know. I wish you guys were here and you could like talk to me now and tell me what to do. Instead of me asking you and then you telling me in the comments, because you guys give me comments and then I'm like, oh yeah, I should have done that. I guess I could live pour. You guys could tell me then. I'm interested to see, this looks like white, but it's that pearl lilac. I like the little cells. I like the lacing that's in there. I don't know, maybe it's the black base, maybe it's the colors. It's off. Okay, so it's supposed to be, so there's the middle. That's where all those cells were. And I'll see if they still dry that way. I mean, the middle is very pretty. There's all those little cells that popped up on the outside. Just little kind of organic cluster cells. But, you know, meh. I'm a little underwhelmed. I think maybe adding some aqua in there, but I didn't have a pearl aqua. I do somewhere, I think it's seafoam or something. So maybe I'll try that. I don't know. You guys can let me know what you think, but I definitely left too much paint in the center and I'm not totally digging the color scheme at this point, I think, but those cells are really, really cool and that lacing. So yeah, you guys let me know. All right, thanks for watching. I will try to show you the dried result as well, so you can stick around for that, I forgot. All right, bye guys. See you in a second. Okay, you guys, I wanted you to be able to see it. This is it. There, maybe you can see the kind of pearlescence here. I like it, but I have an idea for what I'm gonna do next time. To change it just a little bit, but I like the cells my lighting's not great right here, but that purple pearlescent that looks like white in there came out really nice. So I like it. I just think I think there's more that I can do with it, but to be continued on this one. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. I have one main thing. I think I'm gonna add some titanium white to the colors, and I think that will help them pop against the black base. It will make them a little bit more opaque. So that's what I'm gonna do in my next video for this Galaxy one. So I'm gonna do one more small one, I think. And I'm not going to give up on the Arteza pearls for this because I do like the finish. But I think I'm going to try one more before I go big. So there you go. Thank you guys for watching. Happy painting. Turn it around this way. Bye.